Hi everybody. Yeah, I'm here at the Apple Store. I just got here. I'm really bored, and they left me. They left me and Ceci and Brian. Get your ass in here. Look what I got at Horror Nights yesterday.
It's for me.
I'm gonna give it to Tatiana later. Tomorrow. No.
No.
On Monday, I'm gonna give it to Tati. I'm gonna get my dick sucked. Not playing. Watch out, it's my video. What's wrong with my profile?
No.
But, bitch, please. Oh, this is for Andre and Jonathan. Jonathan, we got next month. Your ass wants to go to the beach. I don't know why, but you're a fucking crackhead. So fuck it. Andre, you're black. We had fun at Horror Nights yesterday. And we gotta go again. For sure. Well, she's quiet. She's black.
I'm not black.
Bertito. Bertito. I'm called Bertito now, thanks to Emeline. Freaking, really? Well, yeah.
Rob's on crack.
Oh, really? My name is Bertito. Was that in Chanchito or Bertito?
Your
chose-
name is Robbie.
I chose Bertito.
Deal with
Any
Robbie.
words, Brian? Any words?
You're on crack.
You too.
She likes fish.
Yes, I do. Fish is good. Well, laters, everybody. To Stephanie, to everybody. Sanchez, Jonathan, Liam, Jonathan, Andre. Peace.
Ah.